Nitai Yoga TV. Behold the spiritual world. And our 11 characteristics of our spiritual body are also there in the name. Ekadash Bhav. And in the name, everything is there. Nama, Rupa, Guna, Leela, Sukirtananu. Krishna Nam, Krishna Rupa, Krishna Guna, Krishna Leela, Krishna Bhakta, Krishna Dham, Krishna Vaishishtya. Everything is there in the Krishna's name. Form, qualities, pastimes, then the Dham, then the associates, and then his characteristics. Everything is there in the Nam. Namete sakal cheez ache. Jei namero vishwas koren, sheiro sakal spurti hobe. Kintu namero chhadibe ar अन्य भजन ग्रहण करें, সেই জনেরও अतिशय क्लिष्ट होबे. If somebody gives up the Naam and takes help of other kinds of bhajan, then one cannot realize the Siddha there. Naam bhaja, naam chinta, naam karasar. Ananta Krishnera naam mahima. My Gurudev also told me this shloka when he gave me. I asked him for only one instruction and he told me, he sing in the bhajan here. Naam bhaja, naam chinta, naam karasar. Ananta Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Jai Shri Radha Shyam. জয় জয় গোরা চাঁদের আরতি শোভা জয় জয় গোরা চাঁদের আরতি শোভা জাহ্নবীর তট বনে জগমন লোভা জাহ্নবীর তট বনে জগমন লোভা দক্ষিণে নিতাই চাঁদ বামে গদাধর দক্ষিণে নিতাই চাঁদ বামে গদাধর নিকটে আদৈত শ্রেণী বাস ছত্রধার বসে আছেন গোরা চাঁদ রত্ন সিংহাসনে রত্ন সিংহাসন আলম করি রে বসিয়াছেন গোরা চাঁদ রত্ন সিংহাসনে আরতি করেন ব্রহ্মা আদি দেব গণে নর হরি আদি করি শ্যামর ঢুলায় সঞ্জয় মুকুন্দ বাস ঘোষ আদি গায় শঙ্খ বাজে ঘণ্টা বাজে বাজে করতাল মধুর অমৃদঙ্গ বাজে পরমারা সাল মধুর 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 বাজে গৌরাঙ্গেরা তিরকালে মধুর 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 বাজে শঙ্খ ঘণ্টা খোল করতাল মধুর 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 বাজে মধুর মৃদঙ্গ বাজে পরম রসাল বহ কোটি চন্দ্র জেনে বদন উজ্জ্বল গল দেশে বনমালা করে ঝলমাল শিবা সুখ নারদ প্রেমে গদ গদ তার গৌর প্রেমে গদ গদরে শিব সুখ নারদ প্রেমে গদ গদ ঠাকুর ভকতে বিনোদ দেখে গোরার সম্পদ গোরার সম্পদ সেই তো দেখে গৌর চরণে প্রাণ সপেছে গোরার সম্পদ সেই তো দেখে গৌর বয়ান জানে না গো গোরার সম্পদ সেই তো দেখে ভকতে বিনোদ দেখে গোরার সম্পদ ঠাকুর ভকতে বিনোদ দেখে গোরার সম্পদ জয় জয় রাধা কৃষ্ণের যুগল মিলন জয় জয় রাধা কৃষ্ণের যুগল মিলন आरती कारे न ललितादि सखीगण आरती कार न ललितादि सखीगण मदन मोहन रूप त्रिभंग सुंदर मदन मोहन रूप त्रिभंग सुंदर पीताम्बर शिखी कुच्च चूड़ा मनोहर पीताम्बर शिखी कुच्च चूड़ा मनोहर ललिता माधव बामे वृष भानुर कन्या ललिता माधव बामे वृष भानुर कन्या नीलबासना गोरे रूपे गुणे धन्ना नीलबासना गोरे रूपे गुणे धन्ना नानाविध अलंकार करे झलमल नानाविध अलंकार करे झलमल हरि मन विमोहन बदन युजल हरि मन विमोहन बदन युजल विशाखादि सखी गण नाना रागे गाय विशाखादि सखी गण नाना रागे गाय प्रिय नर्म सखी गण चामर ढुलाय प्रिय नर्म सखी गण चामर ढुलाय श्री राधा माधव पद सरस जासे श्री राधा माधव पद सरस जासे भक्ति विनोद सखी पद सुखे भाषे भक्ति विनोद सखी पद सुखे भाषे जय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल ताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय श्री राधेश्वर जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधार सब कुछ नहीं राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोर जुगाल किशोर राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोर जुगाल किशोर राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोर जुगाल किशोर जीवन मरण गति जीवन मरण गति आर नहीं मोर जीवन मरण गति आर नहीं मोर कालिंदीर कुले केले कदम्बेर बन कालिंदीर कुले केले कदम्बेर वन रतन बेदीर रतन बेदीर बसाबो दुजन बसाबो दुजन श्याम गौरी अंगे दिबचुआ चंदनेर गंध श्याम गौरी अंगे दिबचुआ चंदनेर गंध चामर ढुलाब कबे चामर ढुलाब कबे हेरी मुख चंद्र हेरी मुख चंद्र हेरी मुख चंद्र श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दासेर अनुदास श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दासेर अनुदास सेवाय अभिलाष मागे सेवाय अभिलाष मागे नरोत्तम दास नरोत्तम दास हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय श्री राधे श्याम।
He doesn't आज के लीला कीर्तन आज के संपूर्ण होबे कल के करिबे आज के राधा कुंडेर महिमा आमी कहिबे और लीला कीर्तन रस कीर्तन होबे कल के हर कथा नहीं हुआ हो गया हाँ 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 टुमारो 6 o'clock 6:30 7 काल के 7 Tomorrow, what is the program in the morning after that?
I don't know. First you have prasada.
Yes.
And then 3 o'clock is class.
Okay.
With
Okay. In the afternoon for 1 or 2 hours, if you want to go for parikrama, we can go for 1 or 2 hours and come back.
I have to somehow manage my route.
Okay. So you let me know.
Okay, I will let you know. Okay, maybe 2.
After prasadam.
11 o'clock.
Yes. No, no. Yes, you have to finish.
And then office running.
Yeah.
And you have a class.
We found that ankle bell and while digging in the, while brooming, and when the broom touched the ankle bell of Radha, the broom became golden. Like Chintamani, when he touches, like the broom Jagannath, the golden broom, where it became golden. And then Shyamananda, very intelligent. Shyamananda was very intelligent. Haribol. Just look, Damodar. Shall I go down and see? There is one Mataji also. Chabi Mataji. एक आसी पे दिल्ली पे आज है नहीं 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 it's okay later not yet it's okay with after 5 minutes Hari bol will you open the door to me keys are here there is no need I think so it's on okay when Shyamananda was digging then Shyamananda decided that I will to ensure that so this is the main meeting place of Radha and Krishna in the liquid form Sangam Yugal Milan Ghat is called as every 24 hours, every second, every minute Radha and Krishna are meeting here in their liquid form. In other places in Braj Mandal, Radha Rani's tears have become the lake and other place Radha Rani's perspiration has become the lake. Some places Radha Rani washed her hands and her that has become the lake. Pili Pokhar in Barsana. You have seen that? That lake is whole yellow. She washed the lake. Want to switch? Lights are gone, I think. And here, but in Radha Kund, Sham Kund, complete Radha Rani has melted. Complete Krishna, I mean both have melted in the form of the water. It's not only tears or it is not only one part of the Lord. It's a complete, their complete form is in the liquid form. All the 25 qualities of Radharani and all the 64 kalas of Radharani are present in this water. I mean, whatever 25 qualities she has and whatever 64 kinds of arts she has, we can all associate with them by taking bath in Radha Kund and Shyam Kund. So actually there is a verse in Hari Bhakti Sudhoday which states that the perfection of the eyes is to see Radha Kund, the perfection of the legs is to do parikrama of Radha Kund, and the perfection of the nose is to smell the flowers which are offered to Radha Kund, and the perfection of the skin is to touch the holy air which has touched Radha Kund. Perfection of our touch is to embrace those devotees who have taken bath in Radha Kund, and the perfection of our life is to stay on the banks of Radha Kund. I mean, what more can be the perfection? It is the perfection of all perfection. Our spiritual body is lying dormant in the soul in a seed form for many, many billions of lives. But by serving Radha Kund, that spiritual form is awakened. It manifests gradually, and slowly our spiritual form expands from the soul. The more you touch the water of Radha Kund, the more quickly it develops. I cannot express how much attachment I am feeling to Radha Kund. I took the afternoon bath just some time back. It's very, very, I could see Radha and Krishna throwing the water on each other. It's very ecstatic. The afternoon bath especially, because afternoon is the time of Jalakrida. Madhyan samay Jalakrida hobe. Madhyan samay Rostan Sarva Shaktiman. Yeah, if you want, you can go and take a bath quickly. And we are having 1 hour katha, so you can come, take a bath and come. Any ghat you can take. This is the Yugal Milan Ghat, that is the Govind Ghat. Yes, just clothes. You can remove your clothes. To help anybody take bath in Radha Kund is also very great. Bag you can keep here. Oh, you want to change? No, it's okay. Yeah, this is Brahmachari ashrams. Yeah, yes. So, another great benefit is that all the confidential associates of Radha and Krishna, they are present in Radha Kund and Shyam Kund in the afternoon time. They all come to perform the pastimes with Radha and Krishna. So whatever seva you want to do of Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, you should chant your japa on the banks in the afternoon time. and try to visualize Ananga Manjari's Kunja in the center while chanting. It is known as Swechha Purvika. मध्याह्न काले राधा कुंड तटे ते जप करा उचित और मध्याह्न काले राधा कुंड झाड़ू मारिबे जे जे सेवा आछे से मध्याह्न काले करिबे এই কারণে কি হবে সকল রাধা কৃষ্ণের পার্ষদ আসবেন মধ্যাহ্ন কালে সকল গোপীগণ আর এই দিকে লীলা করিবেন কোন কোন ভাগ্যবান দেখিবার जय हो हरि 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 बोल no 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 we have brahmachari ashram only here every day you take in the afternoon wonderful today is my last snan feeling so sad nice wish even if you do mansik seva of Radha Kund and physically bathing, still there is a difference. I have found this time because in the mansik form you can always be in Radha Kund, but when you physically bathe in the Radha Kund by the power of the water, the liquid form of Radha touching your body, I mean automatically the Leela Spurti takes place. After today's snan, I had a thought of what if I can stay 12 hours inside the water only. I was thinking, if you stay always in the water, you will always see the Leela. আমার বিচার হবে আজকে কি যে যদি রাধা কুণ্ডে জলেতে রহিবে 12 ঘন্টা তো 12 ঘন্টা সকল লীলাল স্ফূর্তি হবে আর কিছু করিতে হবে না so I was explaining how the Madhyan afternoon leelas take place here, and on one side Radharani is decorated, other side Krishna, the Sakhas, they make him ready for the Krida, and after the Leela they go to the Julan Ghat and they have various fruits, one bhojan and then big Jula, they have the swing. Immediately after taking bath they enter into Anang Manjari's Kunja in the middle. It's full with mirrors, divine mirrors. It's a 16-petaled lotus flower. So Krishna enjoys Anang Manjari's Kunja like anything. I mean, Radha and Krishna, actually they come to Radha Kunda to have their Leela there. It is one of the most, there are 2 Leelas in Radha Kund and Sham Kund which are the topmost Leelas. Even among the topmost, there are the topmost Leelas, and that is the Leela in the Anang Manjari's Kunja and the Leela in the Pash Ghat, Pash Khela. After all the Leelas, that Leela is so dear, so beautiful, so excellent, that is why Mahaprabhu selected Tamal Tala. So I had this confidential realization that Gauranga Mahaprabhu selected that place to stay because it's very near the Pash Ghat, and it's an exquisite pastime where ultimately they wager different things, Krishna's cow, Krishna's parrot, and then kisses and embraces and deer and monkeys, and ultimately Krishna has to wager his flute. Radharani, when she makes the dice and throws the dice, she's so expert, I mean in her bhava. Pash Khela hobe ei Pash Ghatete এই সর্বোত্তম লীলা আছে, আর অনঙ্গ মঞ্জরীর কুঞ্জের যে লীলা এই অলৌকিক লীলা আছে. So that Leela is when Krishna is losing everything in Radha Kunda, in Sham Kunda, then the gopis are covering their faces with half the sari and they are all giggling, you know. They are laughing. See now Krishna, who has everything, he is slowly losing everything. Actually Krishna wants to give up everything in Radha Kunda. Krishna सकल वस्तुर त्याग करे राधा कुंडेते, केवल राधा प्रेमेर भिखारी होवे, भिक्षुक. राधा कुंडेर दर्शनेर भिखारी. Krishna becomes a beggar to see Radha Kunda. In fact, in Govinda Lilamrit it is described that after leaving Nandagaon, Krishna goes with the Sakhas and Balaram and the cows, but he constantly is thinking of Radha Kund. He cannot forget. I have to go to Radha Kund. In the afternoon his heart is beating, and I mean divine ecstatic symptoms. Even the Sakhas cannot understand that because they are not in Madhurya, but Subal and Madhu Mangal, they constantly making jokes. They know what is Krishna thinking. You know, they are Priya Narma Sakha Ache Subal Madhu Mangal. Madhyan ka 10:30 Krishna Sakha Gan Sange Jaibe Nanda Gawe te एक क्षणे ते विचार राधा कुंडेर स्मरण करता करिते करिते कृष्णेर सख्य रस लीला होबे वा शांत रस लीला होबे सकल लीला ते कृष्ण केवल राधा कुंडेर चिंतन करिवे. ए परम धाम. In all his leelas it's described Madhurya is actually permeating all the other rasas in Braj Bhumi. That actually this Radha Kunda Smarana, Radha Kunda's dhyan is Krishna's primary dhyan. I mean, you see the greatness of this place. Even the Supreme Personality of Godhead is meditating on Radha Kund, Sham Kund. What greater, I mean, place can be present? So Param Parmeshwar, Ananta Koti Brahmanda Nayak Krishna, एक ही ध्यान करे, राधा कुंडेर ध्यान करे. सखा संगे लीला करे करे ना सुबल मधु मंगल जानिबे कृष्णेर कानेते कहिबे. हाँ जाइबे जाइबे राधा कुंडे जाइबे शांति राखिबे धीरे धीरे सकल होबे. Krishna loses his patience. He becomes so vaivaranya, adhairya, like Maharaj was explaining yesterday. So the Supreme and Krishna himself does not feel qualified to enjoy, perform the afternoon leelas with Radha Rani here without taking bath in Radha Kund. Bolo Radha Kund ki Krishner yogyata nai. Krishna কইবে আমি যত পর্যন্ত রাধা কুণ্ডে স্নান করিব নাই সেই পর্যন্ত আমি রাধার সঙ্গে এই স্থানে লীলা করতে পারে নাই, পারবো না. হ্যাঁ, এই স্নানের শক্তি সকল লীলা প্রকট হয়. So continuously Bhaktivinoda Thakur he would chant here in the afternoon time. He wrote in Navdeep Bhavataranga also, he wrote in Siddhi Lalsa also that real sadhakas they chant in the afternoon time here in Radha Kund, Sham Kund, and they get so deeply absorbed in the leelas here. Every you see in Shikshashtakam, in the Sambodhan Bhashya, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur writes that in the beginning the Leela Smaran is like a tap. You make it open, a drop by drop, drop falls down. Then you open the tap more, the flow, the interval between each drop is lesser, becomes more frequent. Hari Bol. हाँ कौन? हाँ हरि बोल आकृति. मैं मैं फ़ोन करूं एक आधे घंटे के बाद। मैं राधा कुंड में हूँ, थोड़ा कथा हो रहा है। आई विल कॉल यू। हाँ, यस। So we have a good team of young devotees in Delhi now. Vedanta Shadbhuj, yes, like Prahlad Maharaj, when he goes to school, Shanda Amarka, whenever he had time, he used to do the kirtan. Similarly, one disciple, Vedanta Shadbhuj Das, in his school, whenever they get a break, they do kirtan in the classroom. So he had made so many devotees in his classroom. All the youngsters, they became devotees. This time I gave a program, and now their families are also becoming devotees. So the devotee is wherever he goes, he illuminates. So what I was saying, yes. Yeah, the tap, the flowing. So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati writes that before the stage comes when the Anusmriti, Dhyan, Dharana, Anusmriti and Samadhi. So when the flow has to become continuous, but for that when you start getting the flow of the Leela while chanting a little bit, then you should try to make a voluntary attempt to think of the Leela while chanting. You should not stop the flow of the Leela while chanting. That is known as Svecha Purvika. He gives the name as Svecha Purvika. Svecha Purvika means that based on your own desire, you try to bring the Leela into your heart. And if that Leela Smaran is based on the Shastra, then it is not speculation. I mean, if you are remembering the Leela from Govinda Leelamrit or Krishna Bhavnamrit, like Prabhupada said in Krishna book, then that Leela is actually authentic. That meditation is authentic because it's 24 hours. The Lord's Leela is Nitya Leela. It's going on. Even Radha Kund Leela is Nitya Leela. If it stops in this universe, it goes on in other universe. Then if it stops there, it goes on in another universe. So you can meditate on Radha Kund's Leela even in the night time. In the daytime, no time. स्वामी कोई भी प्रभु भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद कोई भी जेस लीला स्मरण आछे ए धीरे धीरे होबे किंतु नल ए नलेर समान लीला स्मरण नल खोलिबे पूर्ण रूपे जल आसीबे सेई रूपे जे आपनारो विकसित चेतना होबे से समय नामेरो कलिका प्रस्फुटित होबे खिली जाबे से समय लीला स्मरण निरंतर होबे किंतु एई समय आगे यदि लीला स्मरण भंग होबे तो लीलार विचार चेष्टा करिबे आपनी चेष्टा करा उचित चेष्टा करता करते लीला स्मरण होबे लीला ग्रंथ पढ़िबे और लीलार स्मरण करिबे. Another my experience in Radha Kund which I have found is that, like yesterday I was explaining that from Naam comes Roop, the form. But the power of Radha Kund I have found is even those bhajan sadhakas who have not crossed from Naam to Rupa and to Guna, they can also directly get a realization of the Leela while chanting. You don't have to cross through Naam, Rupa, Guna, Leela. Normally that is the process to go to Leela. But the power of Radha Kund is that while chanting you can directly get Leela Spurti. It's very, very beautifully possible. So also it is based on our own Siddha Deha. If our Siddha Deha is Nitya Seva, is in Radha Kund, we get this Leela Spurti very fast. If our Siddha Deha is in the Ras Mandal, Vamshivat, then we get that Leela Spurti fast. If our Siddha Deha is in Vrindavan, whatever is the Seva of our Siddha Deha, we go there, we get that Leela Spurti very fast. जे जे प्रकारे आपनारो सिद्ध देह ते जे जे नित्य सेवा आछे से प्रकारे आपनारो लीला स्फूर्ति होय. यदि आपनारो सिद्ध देहेते आत्मारो सेवा ए दिके आछे वास তো এই দিকের লীলা স্ফূর্তি হয়, বংশীবটের আছে বংশীবটের লীলা স্ফূর্তি হয়, যেখানে যেখানে আত্মারও নিত্য সেবা আছে সেখানে সে লীলা স্ফূর্তি হয়। So not only Raganuga Bhakti does not only mean that one should follow a Ragatmika devotee in Braj. Internally one should select one Ragatmika whom you are very attracted to and to follow in the footsteps internally, but it also means that one should select a place of bhajan in Braj Mandal which is conducive to your internal attraction, whichever you feel the most attraction to. Raganuga Bhaktir दुई अंग आचे, एक अंग आचे अपनी नित्य सिद्ध रागात्मिका पार्षद ब्रजेते तारो पच्चिन्नते चलिते चलिते ताहारो लीलार स्मरण करते करते तारो सेवा सेवा करिबे मनेते रागानुगा भक्ति कहिबे। और जे स्थान ब्रजभूमिते अनुकूल आचे आत्मार रस प्रकट होबे जे काले सेई स्थानेर आश्रय करिबे। That is why even in Radha Kund we see our acharyas have made baitaks in different places according to their rasa services, according to their eternal service. Madhavendra Puri has a big yoga kalpa vriksha there, divine, so he sat down there. Anang Manjari Janva Mata has a beautiful kunja in the center there, so she sat down in the bridge at the center of the kunja. Raghunath Das Goswami is the servant of Vishakha, so he made the bhajan kuti there in the Vishakha kunja. Kamal Manjari Bhakti Vinod Thakur, she is Ananga Manjari's sevika, and Ananga Manjari's kunja is inside Lalita kunja, so he made that Swananda Sukhad kunja there. And different acharyas have made Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati made Kunja Bihari temple at the back side. Nayana Mani Manjari, she's that gives a clue about in which Sakhi she was serving. If we see the map of Radha Kunda, you can see the 8 kunjas around Radha Kunda and Sham Kunda. I was explaining day before yesterday, I think, that why Prabhupada said that this song by Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradhari. Why this song contains whole of Braj Mandal? One reason is this Kunja Bihari pertains to the Radha Kund Lila. Kunja Bihari is the Ishtadev of Radha Kund. So Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradhari means all Govardhan. All the Govardhan area is covered. Yashoda Nandana means Nandagaon is covered. Yashoda Nandana Brajajana Ranjana. Brajajana Ranjana means all the 12 forests are covered. Jamuna Tira Vanachari means Vrindavan is covered. So in this song all the Braja Mandal is covered by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Ei bhajanete sampurna Braja Mandal era lila ache. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Radha Kundera lila Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Govardhanera lila Yashoda Nandan Nandagaon lila Jamuna Tira Vanachari Vrindavanera lila ache. सकल लीला आचे এই ভজনেতে যমুনা তীর বনচারি। এই কারণ স্বামী মহারাজ প্রভুপাদ আছে এই সকল কথাতে প্রথম এই ভজন গাইবেন। জয় রাধা মাধব। He sang this song before any katha to invoke the presence of all the holy places in Braj Mandal and associate with them in that way. So every ghat of Radha Kunda is full with celestial divine trees, and the steps are studded with diamonds and rubies and emeralds. Whenever the gopis they go from the ghats, they see their own reflection. The water of Radha Kunda is extremely crystal, shining, just like Radha Rani. And I mean, one dust particle of Radha Kunda is unapproachable by even Brahma, Narada, Shiva. I described day before yesterday how one dust particle of Radha Kunda is more opulent than all the dust particles of Govardhan combined. एक राधा कुंडेर सकल घाट दैदित्यमान प्रकाशमान आचे, हीरा मोती रत्न जड़ित आचे, वृक्ष सकल चिंतामणि आचे राधा कुंडेर घाटे ते। और जय जन एक क्षण मात्र ए मूल राधा कुंडेर दर्शन करे, सेई जन राधा कुंडेर छाड़ीते पारे ना, पारे ना, जाइते पारे ना। If someone gets even a tiny glimpse of the real Radha Kund, then one can never leave from here. One will forget all one's designations in Germany, in Switzerland, in Mumbai. They'll all become a dream, just like life is a dream. And Radha Kund will become real, and our other life will become a dream. So that is the goal of coming here. But still we have so many attachments, but slowly they are dissolving in the water of Radha Kund. More you take bath, Rupa Goswami says, if you cannot stay on Radha Kund all the time, then whenever you come, at least take bath as many times as possible. In that regard, I am very thankful to you for giving such a close place. Even 3 times I took in these 3 days, but I am not satisfied. Maybe I should have taken 5 times. 5 times each. 3 टाइम अपनी स्नान करे। रूप गोस्वामी कोई भी जेई जन राधा कुंडे निकटे वास करते पारे ना सकल समय, सेई जन राधा कुंडे जेई समय आशिबे सेई समय जतो बार अधिक स्नान करे तो भालो आछे। Yes, yes. Yeah, if possible. Yes, yes. Okay. From here you can. Oh, from here. From. No, it's okay. Miss Shruti Mataji from Delhi. She makes all the wireless towers for mobile phones. She makes all the towers. Yeah. She's doing IIT MTech degree now for further. And you other Mataji, Zalina Mataji, she comes from the Katha. I met her in Ekachakra. We had such a nice parikrama, very ecstatic. And she stays above. Elena. Yeah. Who? Elena. This is Sandesh. The real place is going to Sandesh. Sandesh Mataji. She took this place, but later on one devotee invited her friend, so she stays in other place. She likes to stay in Lalita Kunja. what I was saying yesterday also is that the spurti, initially you will not get the spurti 24 hours. The spurti will come in gaps. So those that spurtis which are coming, that spurti should be consolidated. We should extend the duration of those spurtis as much as we can, the revelations. And this is the best place to do it, Radha Kund. When you stay in Radha Kund, your spurti gradually, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that your spurti will increase. In Harinam Chintamani, he described Nama Sambandha. He described how to develop a relationship with the name. He says you start with 4 rounds and you sit in a place and you develop the relationship with the Naam, and then you increase the duration of your Naam while maintaining that relationship with the name. Don't, while maintaining the relationship with the name, you increase the duration of the Naam, and slowly 8 rounds, 12 rounds, 16 rounds. Even if you chant 16 rounds, you will feel that you are in constant association with the Lord's Leela. If you increase qualitatively, first you consolidate the quality and then increase it quantitatively. Yes. That's very good. I was telling about your wonderful worship of Shaligrams to Mataji. Mataji was very excited because her Gurudev Indra Das Babaji Maharaj is the Acharya of Shaligrams. And she went to Kali Gandaki and she got the smallest Shaligram in the world. Guinness Book of World Records. And his name is Sarveshwara Gauranga. Small, but he's Sarveshwara. So, how many you have? 70? No, sir. Now increase 108. Yes. 108. In spite of his schedule, first seva, he does not eat before that. And the whole, for that you have to go to Vrindavan. You are going, no? You are going to Vrindavan. Yeah. Yes, sure. But the most fortunate place is Hill Niketan. He is building in Bandra in Mumbai where he stays. I mean, so many Shaligrams present in one place. It's very, very fortunate. And they are not present in the ground in Mumbai, they are present in the sky. Which floor? Which floor? Is that second floor? So when they are present in the sky, they reach out to more area. Their power and their potency spreads like anything. So it's wonderful. Prabhuji 108 शालिग्राम आज मुंबई सकल सेवा करे. यही कारण है तांड्र नाम आचे दामोदर दास. Because he is binding the Shaligrams by his love. So Damodar. So there is one song, Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutir, Govardhana Parvata Jamuna Tir, Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutir, Kusuma Sarovara Manasa Ganga, Kalindi Nandini Vipula Taranga. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Nothing, no Leela is left untouched by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He has given us everything. That is why we are more luckier than the Babajis. Babajis, they don't have Bhaktivinoda Thakur. We have Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Narottam Das Thakur songs Prathna and Prem Bhakti Chandrika And those classic books, they are very, very beautiful. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji used to read them, but still they are very elevated, very, very. Bhakti Vinod Thakur's songs made it even more easier for us to go deeper. Narottam Das Thakur ero bhajan prem bhakti chandrika ar प्रार्थना अतिशय सुंदर भजन आछे भालो. तो भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर एर भजन अति आर सरल आर मधुर. So that proves that he was empowered by everyone. Narottam Das, Srinivas, Shyamanand, Nityananda Prabhu, Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So if somebody reads the books of Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Radha Kunda, one can understand the tattva of Radha Kunda. My Gurudev, his only bhajan was to read Sharanagati. That was his only bhajan, except Naam and Sharanagati, that's all. And his book also was torn because he was reading it for 100 years. I told him I'll get a new book. I brought a new book, but he would not. He would not leave his old book, Sharanagati. And any time I used to sit at his lotus feet, he used to give the book to me and please sing. And I could not sing properly at that time. I mean, I know Bengali, but I don't know the ragas. But he mercifully accepted, just like Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in his final stage. Everybody was thinking he will call some great singer to sing the bhajan, but he called Sridhar Maharaj, Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj. Sridhar Maharaj had devotion, great devotion. He was not one of the best singers in Gaudiya Math, but he sang Shri Rupa Manjari Pada Shei Mora Sampada. So અમારા ગુરુદેવ શરણાગતિર પાઠ કરે અને જે સમય આમી ત્યારનો નિકટે ગયેલા અમારા ગુરુદેવ કહીલે આપની શરણાગતિર ગાન કરે અમાર સુનાઈબે. એ પ્રકારે જૈસે પ્રભુપાદ શ્રીધર મહારાજરે કહીલે અંતિમ સમયે રૂપ મંજરી પદો આપની ગાન કરે. So to approach Rupa Goswami in Seva Kunj in Vrindavan, we come here in Radha Kunda, we get the mercy of Jiva Goswami first. Jiva Goswami is the most merciful of the 6 Goswamis. That is without doubt. Because many reasons. First of all, other Goswamis, Rup Sanatan got the direct mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu in Ramkeli and Dasha Ashwamedh Ghat, and Rup Sanatan came by the direct mercy of Mahaprabhu. But Jiva Goswami came by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu was so pleased on Jiva Goswami that he personally took him around Navadvip Mandal Parikrama, and that Leela was manifested in the heart of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Very, very rare. Navadvip Dham Mahatmya, the book written, is not an ordinary book. It is a Leela Spurti of Bhakti Vinod Thakur's heart. It's a classic. I mean, you can even compare it with the books of Rupa Goswami. You know, it's such a great literature. In our Dhara, it's very unfortunate that devotees are not aware of the glories of Bhakti Vinod Thakur in ISKCON and other mutts. Prabhupada wanted Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books to be translated in every language, but the Bhakti Vedanta Book Trust did not take it up. Anyway, other devotees are now translating. So, but still it's not like Bhakti Vedanta Book Trust. You know, if Bhakti Vedanta Book Trust publishes something, it goes to all the temples, it goes to all the devotees. At least if they don't want to do the other books, at least it's 4 song books, Sharanagati, Geetamala, Geetavali and Kalyana Kalpataru, they should distribute. So it's higher than the Vedas. It's very, very beautiful. A real mood of humility, Trinadapi Suni Chena, will come by reading Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books. Somebody asked Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, how you become Trinadapi Sunichena? So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati said, you just always sing that song in the morning after you get up. Amaro jibono sada pape rato nahi ko punne ralesh. Je, huh? Parere udeg diyachi je koto diyachi jivero klesh. Modo matto sada vishaya mohita hinsa garva vibhushana. Sajjana Barjita Nana Dukhe Jara Jor. This song is an expansion of Trinadapi Sunichena. How you can become Trinadapi Sunichena. Ei bhajan ache Trinadapi Sunichena shlokera Vistar. And further Vistar is also in one of his songs, that Shri Krishna Kirtone Jadi Manas Tohar Paramo Jatone Tahi Labho Adhikar Trinadika Hino Dino Akinchan Char Apne Mano Bhi Sada Chadi Ahankar. Always think yourself as worthless, useless, humble, Hina Dina, Akinchana Char. And if with that bhav, if you approach Radha Kund to take bath, every moment the pastime will manifest in your heart. Jadi Trinadapi bhavete datun mukhete Trina rakhibe, mukhete jai Trina rakhibe, ar dandvat koribe to namra bhav asiben. रूप सनातन मुखे ते तृण राखिबे और महाप्रभुर दंडवत करिबे कि आमी तृण हाँ तृण अधिक हीनो दीनो अकिंचन छार आमी छार आमी पृथ्वीवर भार आचे I am a burden. And like whenever I enter Radha Kund, I beg forgiveness very much from Radharani, because when we enter into the ghat, our feet become covered with the dust, when we are walking, and that dust also goes into Radha Kund. We are committing lot of offenses when we take bath in Radha Kund. Even our body is not fully, it's full with so many material desires, but like I described on the first day, that Radha Kunda is more merciful than Radharani. যেই জন আপনি স্নান করেন রাধা কুণ্ডেতে, আপনারও চরণেরও রোজ কচরা বচরা সকল রাধা কুণ্ডেতে যাবে। আর আপনারও শরীর তো কত আপনি পাপ করিবে, ইচ্ছা আছে, বাসনা আছে, এই সকল ভাবেতে যদি রাধা কুণ্ডের জলেতে স্নান করে তো আপনি अपराध হবে। কিন্তু আমার एक आशा আছে, राधा कुंड राधा হইতে अधिक दयालु, राधा कुंड अधिक কি কবে বাংলাতে আর दयालु, अनेक दयालु, राधा कुंड अनेक दयालु। আপনার अपराध क्षमा करें। So you have to live. Yes. Yeah, you have seva. No problem. Yes, no problem. Very good, very good. Yes. No problem. I'll send you the link for this animation, that video you wanted yesterday. Yeah. Yes. Okay, sure. Okay. No problem. Okay, wonderful. And one day, if you come early in Radha Kund, I was going to tell Mataji, but she may not be able to talk in Hindi. I am searching for that book Shri Krishna Charit Chaitanya Charit Mahakavya by Kavi Karnapur. Kushakrat Prabhu had translated only three. In Hindi, in English it's not been translated. Has it been? No, nobody has. Only Kushakrat Prabhu translated first 3 chapters. But I heard in Sanskrit to Hindi there is some translation available with some Babaji. There is one behind Radha Damodar temple. There is one shop of Babaji's. He opens, or with Anand Das Babaji's place. Even in Sanskrit it is available only in Sanskrit. So bhi chalega. When you come once, when you after taking bath. Yes, okay. Hare. Any questions? Yes, surely. Yeah. Because very good question. Shikshashtakam has 8 shlokas. And every shloka stands for one prahara in the Nitya Leela. Ashtaprahariya Leela is going on there. One prahara is equal to 3 hours. So there are Nitya Leela, the eternal, is divided into 8 time periods, and each is known as one prahara. And one verse of Shikshashtakam stands for one prahara. So, and secondly, Shikshashtakam also has from Ato Shraddha Tatha Sadhu Sangha Bhajan Kriya Anartha Nivrutti up to Prema. That though there are 9 stages, Shikshashtakam has 8 verses. But in the first verse, 2 stages are covered. So, it elevates the devotee from Shraddha to Prema. By reading Shikshashtakam gradually. So, and Gauranga being Radha Bhav, Radha Bhav is coming in Shikshashtakam, Nayanam Galadashru Dharaya. It's all Radha's Bhav. And Aidand Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam. शिक्षाष्टकम पाठ करेबे कृष्ण प्रेम मिलीबे भजन की मिलीबे तो ये राधा कृष्ण लीला ते अष्ट प्रहर आचे अष्टकालीय लीला सो से अष्टकालीय लीला 8 प्रहर 1 प्रहर 3 घंटा ता होबे तो 8 प्रहर न रूपे 8 श्लोक आचे शिक्षाष्टकम महाप्रभु लिखिया छे शिक्षाष्टकम महाप्रभु आर कोई किछु ग्रंथ लिखीबे नहीं केवल यही 8 श्लोक लिखीबे और श्रद्धा ते प्रेम 9 जे स्तर आचे भक्तिर से सकल शिक्षाष्टकम वर्तमान आचे शिक्षाष्टकमेर अंतिम श्लोक आचे आश्लिष्यवा पादरतम पिनस्तु माम अदर्शनम मर्महताम करोतु यथा तथा वा विदधातु लंपटो मत प्राणनाथस्तु सैव. This verse is Mahabhava, the highest selfless love, Prema, the highest stage. Even though Krishna comes late, Radharani goes into Man. But actually Radharani, what she is feeling inside, even during Man, is this shloka. Ashlishyava padaratam pinastu. यदि कृष्ण देरी आसबेन लीलाते सकल रात्रि राधा रानीर प्रतीक्षा करें कृष्ण आर किछु गोपीर कुंजेते जाबेन और देरीते आसबेन राधा रानीर कुंजेते राधा रानीर मान होबे कृष्णेर मिलिबे ना किंतु हृदयते यही विचारिबे आश्लिष्यवा ए कृष्ण आमार संगे की रूपे करू की रूपे होक किंतु आमी कृष्णेर छाड़िबे ना. Let Krishna treat me like nothing. Even if Krishna does not look at me, adarshanam, there is the greatest punishment. I mean, not punishment, I mean greatest, most difficult ignoring. If I chastise somebody, then I mean I love him. But if I ignore him, it's very hard. Very hard. So even you do that, adarshanam marmahatam. Even if you strike the marma means the most strongest punishment, most strongest pain you give to our hearts. यदि तुम्ही आमारे अतिशय दुख दिबे, तुम्ही आमारो देखिबे ना, आमारो आघात करिबे, तुम्ही आमारो अध्ययन करिबे, आमारो ध्यान आमारो संगे कथा ना करिबे, किंतु तुम्ही आमारो प्राणनाथ, आमी तुम्हारे छाड़िबे ना, छाड़बो ना. हे अहितुकी भक्ति मत प्राणना सैवना परा. But you should remember that, oh Krishna, that even if you ignore us, me, you will still remain my Prananath. I'll still be waiting for you. That is the mood. Prananathas Saivanapara. I'll still be waiting. Whenever. So that is the highest. In fact, the 7 stages of prema, mana, rag, sneha, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, all these stages, they coming in the last verse of Shikshashtakam. Premero 7 जे स्तर आचे, सकल 7 स्तर शिक्षाष्टकमेर अंतिम श्लोकेते आचे. Yeah, it depends. I mean, yeah, both bhavas are okay. If somebody feels they are too high, not discuss it. But if some devotees are feeling to discuss it, it's also okay. Just like I explained now, the meaning of the last verse, it's not very high in that way, but still there is no harm. We should not take Gauranga one part, we should take him fully. Bhav Lampato. That is Krishna's nature. Debauchee. I mean, his Lampato, his Vyavahar of Lampato, his dealings, they are only for the sake of increasing Radha's love. They are not meant even for his own enjoyment. He will come late to Radha, he will go to another gopi and come deliberately late to Radha just to make Radha feel some new ecstasy. You know, all the gopis, all the competitors of Radha like Chandravali, Saibya, Bhadra and others, Padma, Chandravali, all these other competitors of Radha, they are just meant to increase Radha Krishna's Leela ultimately. So depends, if your heart is purified, then Lampato, you will not feel agitation by hearing Lampato. यदि आपनार हृदय शुद्ध होबे तो कृष्णेर लंपट कहिबे तो किछु आपनार हृदय रे खराब विचार आसिबे ना. तेई तो बहिरंग अर्थ आछे. अंतरंग अर्थ ये आचे, ये राधा रानी ये श्लोक कहिबे यथा तथा वा विदधातु लंपटो. लंपटेर अर्थ पर स्त्रीर लंपट. হ্যাঁ পর স্ত্রীরা হাতেতে কঠপুতলি কি আছে কি কবে বাংলাতে হ্যাঁ কৃষ্ণ লম্পট আছে রাধা রানী বলছে কৃষ্ণ তুমি লম্পট কারণ যেই গোপী তো তোমার বলাইবে তুমি যাইবে কিন্তু আমি এই কহিবে ইংরেজি ভাষাতে কি কৃষ্ণ আর গোপীর কুঞ্জেতে যাবে আর তার সঙ্গে লীলা করিবেন ইহার একই কারণ আছে প্রয়োজন রাধার বিরহ বাড়াইতে ইচ্ছা আছে এই কারণে কৃষ্ণ লম্পট কৃষ্ণের স্বতঃ ভোগের ইচ্ছা নাই কিন্তু রাধার কৃষ্ণ আর গোপী সঙ্গে গিয়া রাধার প্রেম বাড়াইতে দেখে জন্যে नहीं कृष्ण आमी कोई भी आध्यात्मिक भोग हाँ यही कृष्णर आध्यात्मिक भोगेर इच्छा नहीं गोपीगण संगे केवल राधारो आनंद बढ़ाइते विरह बढ़ाइते कारणे कृष्ण आर गोपीगण संगे जावे विस्तार even all the gopis are expansions of Radha ultimately. And Radha knows that. Internally Radha knows that Krishna never forgets me even for one moment. Of course, if we know, how can she not know? We are still sadhakas. सौम्य गोपी राधा वाम्य गोपी सौम्य गोपी Chandravali is very submissive gopi where Radha is very dominant gopi and more than Radha Lalita is very dominant so Lalita tells Radha to dominate Krishna. Lalita teaches Radha how to do that. That's why Lalita is very dear to Radha. So whatever leelas, the advantage in Radha Kund and Shyam Kund is whatever leelas are going on in Braj Mandal at different parts of the day, Krishna is in different places in Braj Mandal. That is why it is known as Braj. Braja iti, Brajati iti Braj. Braj means Krishna is always walking. That is the meaning of Braj. Braj in Hindi means to walk, to move, always move. Brajero arth ache chalana, chalna. कृष्ण चलছে এই কারণে ইয়ার নাম ব্রজ লীলা ভ্রমণ করেছে এই কারণে লীলা ব্রজ ব্রজতি ব্রজতা ব্রজের অর্থ হচ্ছে সব সময় কৃষ্ণের দাস করছে Yes, very nice. Mam hobe naam. और ब्रजेते रहिबे और नामेरो आश्रय करिबे। There is a reason why Mam becomes Nam. In the Bhagavatam it is said Tan Naam Grahanadibhi, that if you want to approach Krishna, Mam, come to me, then it starts with Nam. So beautiful, Indra Das Babaji, very beautiful. And you have to always keep on walking while chanting the Nam, Braja. Braja. In Braj, Krishna is walking, so we should always do parikrama. Keep on walking. Yes. हाँ अपनी जगह. Let no, he can go and buy. He says that in Radhakund the sabjis are very cheap, so for next 2-3 days in Vrindavan he'll go and buy from here. जा बे जल्दी आज बे 3टा तो समय हो बे आपने 2:30 जाते हो बे हाँ जा बे हाँ आपने जा बे सब्जी आनी बे आपने जाई बे ए माता जी आस बे Huh? I was going to tell her, let her take bath, she could have sat. Anyway, she's new. Yeah.
Anyway, my question is,
Yes. Yeah. Beach. You mean the beach mantra? Shrim Tulasyaya Namaha. और श्रीम वृंदाय नमः. Shrim is Ladini. Shrim is the Ram Ananga Bija Rupena. It's Ananga Beach. Shrim. Vrindaya. Shrim Vrindaya Namaha. Or Shrim Vrindaya Swaha. Whichever you like. Swaha and Namaha are the same. I like Swaha. Yeah, Nama. That's also the Shrim Tulasyaya Namaha. Tulasyaya. No, Tulasyaya. Yeah. Tulasyaya. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. If you say Vrindaya, I think that is it will include everything. Yeah, Shrim Vrindaya Namaha. It will be worship of Tulsi also and Vrinda Devi also, both. Her expansion and the original also. Origin of Tulsi. Yeah, easier. When you offer pranam also, you have to say Shrim Vrindaya Namah. Yeah, we can chant that. That is a stotra. It is not a mantra. It is a pranam stotra. Pranam mantra is Shrim Vrindaya Namaha. Bij mantra. Yeah, certainly. You can do the 12-syllable mantra, very powerful. Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhaya Swaha. In fact, that mantra will give you Siddhi in Radha Kund. I did not tell anybody this, but it's Anang Manjari's mantra. Klim Deva. Is it recording? Later, yeah. Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhaya Swaha. It has 12 syllables. It is there in the Brahmanda Purana. It's very powerful. It's Anang Manjari's mantra. Yeah, but that Bij mantra of Anang Manjari, this Bij mantra, yeah. Yes. Yeah. I'm really sorry you missed the katha. Right. We had a very, very deep katha also today. It's okay. Yes. Right. Klim Deva Janvi. It has to be practiced 10 times on the fingers. You have to keep the fingers closed first of all. While doing any japa, you must be knowing that. You have to keep the fingers closed. When you do japa also, if you keep these fingers open, you lose all the fun of chanting japa. You don't know that? In Hari Bhakti Vilas, it's described these 3 fingers should be kept closed. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. In Hari Bhakti Vilas it is stated this is actually bhakti. Yeah. These 3 fingers, this should be kept closed. Otherwise the yakshas, charanas, kinnaras, there is a shloka in the Hari Bhakti Vilas stated by Sanatana Goswami that they will take the fruit of their chanting. They are on the same plane as the Bhumandal. There are different planets in the universe, so they take the result. And your mala should never touch the finger. The nails should be in the center. The center of the middle finger.
It's so hard after so many years.
Yeah, yes, no problem.
I still chant here.
Okay, yeah.
After so many years,
Yes, you chant here? No.
sometimes I try.
Okay, here. No, you just have to close these 3, that's all. You have to remember to close them. No, you don't have to change anything. Just. And to chant this Anang Manjari's mantra, you have to Yes. 10 times. It's very powerful. Like suppose you someday you have a very big desire. You are in Switzerland. You have a desire to come to Radha Kund, and somehow not happening. Then if you chant this 12-syllable mantra, your desire will be fulfilled 10 times. Klim is Krishna Beach, Ananga Beach also. Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhai Swaha. Very powerful. Under that tree, you could do your bhajan, chant in the hall. Ananga Manjari will come before you. It pleases very much. Pleases Nityanand Prabhu also very much. This mantra is in the book you have read already. Govinda Smaranarcha. I give all my disciples, I don't give them 7 Gayatri mantras, I give them 9 Gayatri mantras. This Nitai Bij, this is Nitai Bij and Nitai Gayatri are added. I give them Nitai. Nitai Gayatri is also very powerful. Klim Nityanandaya Vidmahi Sankarshanaya Dhimahi Tanno Balaha Prachodayat. Beautiful, very powerful. So what we give is Brahma Gayatri, then Guru Gayatri, then Nitai Gayatri, then Gaur Gayatri, then Krishna Gayatri, then Kam Gayatri. Like that. Then sannyasis have another mantra which is not given, which is known as Gopi Bhav mantra. It is also a 12-syllable mantra. And when we chant that mantra, we see our Siddha Deha. It's supposed to be like that. You cannot worship Nitai's deities without. Yeah, Nityananda mantra is not given in ISKCON. They chant. Yeah, but Nityananda's deity has to have his own Bij mantra. Klim Nityanandaya Namaha. Yeah, that's not mentioned in the Brahmanda Purana. Brahmanda Purana mentioned Klim Dev Janvi Vallabhaya Swaha. That is the actual Nityananda Bij. Of course, Klim Nityanandaya Namaha also is. Yes, it is the Bij mantra for Ananga Manjari as well as Nityananda. That's why it is very powerful and merciful. And that's why you can chant it more easily than Ananga Manjari's mantra in Krishna Leela. This is a mantra which has the mercy of Gaur Leela as well as the nectar of Krishna Leela. Janva. Because ultimately Ananga Manjari's Leela we don't know in Radha Kund, but we know that Janva Mata came and sat here. Janva Mata we know. We can approach Ananga Manjari through Janva Mata. It's the only way. Otherwise Ananga Manjari is very, very high for us. Yeah. Very dear to Janva. So it can have two meanings. Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhaya Swaha. Here, if you see Janvi as Ananga Manjari, then Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhaya Swaha is the mantra for Gopinath. The vision of Gopinath she had here. And if you see in the Gaur Leela, Klim Deva Janvi Vallabhaya Nama will be the mantra for Nityananda. Very dear to Janva in Gaur Leela. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Janu. Yeah, sure. Why is it confidential?